Hello, my name is Christy and this is the lesson 28 worksheet for 3rd grade YLOC. So the first worksheet asks us to add and subtract these equations and find the missing numbers. So for number 1, basically what we do is, what I do is I look and see, look, there's a 6 here, there's a 6 here, and a 12 here. In this empty equation, there's a 6 here and a 12 here, which means that a 6 should go in the empty space. And we can check our work by doing 12 minus 6, and we know that 12 minus 6 is 6, so that means our answer is correct. Number 2, we have a 2, 3, and a 5, a 2, 3, and a 5, a 3, and a 5, which means a 2 should go here. And we check our answer, 3 plus 2 is indeed 5, so our answer is correct. Okay. Moving on, multiplication. So multiplication is like thinking there are 2 groups of 6. So basically, if drawn out, it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 groups. And if you count every single circle, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which means that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Now, if you're multiplying with a double-digit number, there's you can do long division. So 11 times 9, what's 9 times 1? We know that 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is also 9, so our answer will be 99. 9 times 4, 36. 6 times 1, 6, 16. 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 4 is 20, 25, 18. 5 times 9 is 45. Oh, that doesn't look like a 4. 45. 12 times 2 is 24. 6 times 3, 18. 4 times 3, 12. 9 times 3, 27. 4 times 10, 40. My 4s are 40. 9 times 8 is 72. 20, 15, 42, and 60. Okay, so these are the answers to the multiplication. You either can solve them like this, or if you have them memorized, that would be a lot more easier for you. Addition. Okay, so let's do number 1. So 65 plus 13. It's easier for you to write it in like a long form, so like the number on top and then on bottom, because this is how you do this. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, so the answer is 78. So you can break it down to like have simpler numbers. Similarly, 30 plus 35, it doesn't really matter which number goes on top in addition, because you're gonna add the 2 numbers together anyway. So 0 plus 5 is 0. I mean, not 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. The answer is 65. Let's try number 6. 29 plus 48. Plus 48. You can have the bigger number on top, smaller number on top. It does not matter. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we put the 7 down here and the 1 in the tens up here in the tens place. And then we do 4 plus 2, 6, plus this 1. So that would be 7. So the answer to number 6 would be 77. Okay. Lastly, we have word problems. So Sally has a total of 15 baseball cards to sell. She is able to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So she has a total of 15 to start out, and she sells 9 of them to Sammy. So 15 minus 9. We can't do 5 minus 9, so we bring over a 10 from the 1, or this becomes a 0. This becomes a 15. 15 minus 9. Actually, that really did nothing, but 15 minus 9 is 6, which means Sally has 6 cards left. Don't forget to label and box your answers. Mark has 15 buttons. He buys 6 more from this store, but loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? So he starts off with 15 buttons. He buys 6 more, so that would mean 15 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Bring the 1 over. 1 plus nothing is 1, plus the 1 up here is 2, so 21 buttons left. Buttons. Johnny shares his candy evenly with his 16 friends at school. He has a total of 32 pieces of candy. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? So he has 32 pieces of candy and he wants to share evenly between his 16 friends. So we would do 32 divided by 16. 16 goes into 32 twice, which means that each friend gets 2 pieces of candy. Okay, last question. Amber has made 400 different kinds of earrings to sell on Etsy. One half of the earrings are gold, one fourth are silver, and the rest are multicolored. How many gold earrings does she have? So we only need really only need this part. We can disregard that part. So out of the 400, half of the earrings are gold. So we want to find how much is half of 400. So we would do 400 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 0, bring down the 0. 2 doesn't go into 0, so we put a 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 0. That's a lot of zeros. How many times does 2 go into 0? 0, so 2 times 0 is 0. And we have a answer of 200, remainder nothing. So she has, that is not a 0, 200 gold earrings. Okay, so I hope you understand everything now, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye!